In this video, we're going to compare Hulu TV versus YouTube TV. So first we have in here our Hulu. So you can head over and get Hulu as an add-on for your Disney Plus. So in order to actually see which one is better, let's first tackle their pros and cons. So for the pros of Hulu, it includes vast on-demand library with Disney Plus and ESPN in its bundle. It has fewer simultaneous streams and less sports focused than YouTube TV. It's best for families, cord cutters wanting a complete entertainment package, and those who value content integration. Now let's head over to YouTube TV. YouTube TV is excellent in its user interface with better sports coverage, 4K streaming on select content, and simultaneous streams. It's slightly higher on price point, and it's best for sports fans wanting more simultaneous streams. So if you're a sports fan, choose this YouTube TV. If not, you can choose Hulu. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.